Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft.NET 2015 installation didn't succeed. .NET Framework 4.6.2 has not been installed. So guys, if you are facing this error, so to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on Start, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, run as administrator, type MMC. In this command prompt, type this command mmc, then press enter. Now close command prompt. Now click on file. Now click on add or remove. Now in this list, select certificate. Now click on add. Now in here click on computer account. Then click on next. Now select local computer. Then click on finish. Now click on OK. Now double click on trusted root certification authorities. Now should be certificate folder here, so double click on it. Now right click on certificates, then hover cursor to all tasks, then click on import. Now in here click on next. Now open any web browser. Now copy and paste URL I will give in description. Now click on here and click on show in folder. So copy this file and paste on desktop. Now navigate that downloaded file. Now click on next. Now click on next, then click on finish. So you will see the import was successful. Now make OK and close it. Save console settings. To console, click on yes and click on save. Now open any web browser and type download framework. .8, then press enter. Click on this first link. Now click on download .NET framework. Now double click on it. If it will ask permission, so click on yes. Now click on continue. I have already, so I don't need, but you need to install this .NET framework. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps, we can resolve and we can fix .NET 2015 installation didn't succeed. So friends, hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this method work for you or not.